Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a one-handed triple. Now, I would heartily recommend you know how to do an arm jive triple already, so I'll put a link to that in the description below so you've got that in your technique, because this is harder than the arm jive triple because you're doing everything with a more limited ability to lead and follow. So without further ado, we'll jump in. Looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break it down. Starts off man's left, lady's right. We send the lady back, guys step back. We're going to lead a travelling return. So travelling return. So we bring the lady through. We're going to be keeping an eye on her feet. She sets her weight for a last step. This is where she'd normally end. We're going to push through with our left hand, and we're going to be rotating the lady to the right so that we get a step back on the lady's right, and we're going to lead 2 more steps. Ladies left, ladies right. Guys are going to chase, hopefully going left, right, left at the same time. We're going to bring the lady forwards now, so she's going to go right, left, right, except on that right. We're going to bring the hand up and block, and then we're going to send her away into a turn. We're going to get out of the way, travelling return and back. You could play with that and make it a longer walk, but triples each way tend to feel nice. Okay, so let's do the same thing from the other side, except this time we're going to talk numbers. We need a little bit of space behind me. So we're going to go back. 1, travelling return. 2, tripling. 3 and 4. Then coming forwards. 5 and block 6. Turn 7, face 8. Return 1 and back 2. Let's try it together and see if it's working. Here we go. 5, 6, one-handed triple. It's a back. Return 1 and 2, 3 and block. Turn, face, return and back. That is it. I hope that's working well for you. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes moves, subscribing promotes the channel, and notifications will mean you get told every time a new video comes out if it's turned on. And if you're there thinking it's a very simple move, it is, absolutely is, but it's quite useful if you like your arm jive triple, because it means you can still use that movement when you're, for instance, dancing with 2 ladies at the same time. So that's an extra bonus. Music recommendation on the end, as always. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.